Today we're diving into and installing the MBRP slip-on exhaust for the 2023 Kawasaki KRX 1000. Simple to fit, minimal fuss. Let's get into it. The MBRP slip-on exhaust gives the KRX 1000 a deep, resonant sound that truly sets it apart on the trails. Whether you're crawling on the rocks or pushing the limits in the dunes, this upgrade ensures your ride sounds great and adds additional power and weight savings over the stock exhaust. Let's give this thing a listen.